I reached the subtle world to offer book to Baba. I gave the love-filled love and remembrance of all of you all to Baba. And while giving love and remembrance to Baba, Baba said, this zone consists of 5 states, and specially from the ocean, the Brahmaputra, the special arms, has been from this place Baba said, just as the Bolli Mela they take the dip in the ocean, even in the Kumbh Mela, on the path of devotion, the souls who reach the last dip they take, they think that they are saved. Baba was looking at both the scene and was amazed of. Baba was looking at the scene of the world and Baba saw his own children sitting near the seashore and have come especially to have the shower of knowledge. Baba, being far-sighted, was looking at all the children with his divine vision, was looking at the children with a lot of love. This is the last turn, and in this last turn, all have taken a dip, and those who have come for the first time, Baba said of them, they also have had the dip of knowledge. And therefore Baba was laughing, looking at both the scene, that Baba's children are reaching at the last for taking the last dip. And then Baba added, until the end of this silver age, my children will come because they have come to Baba's home and the children have recognized the Father. Baba said that Baba is looking at Baba's children as well as the worldly people. And everybody has to reach this unlimited home to take the last drop. All the devotees have to come here, and all Baba's children who are still remaining, they will also reach. Baba, with a great love, Baba was giving lovely and sweet drishti with sweet feelings, looking at the gathering. Baba said, whoever are my children, At least these children have recognized the Father. And are moving along, taking the sustenance of the Father. Baba said the soul has 5 states. They have come out from the seashore and are joining with the Brahmaputra and are having many arms. So Baba was looking very happy, looking at his children. This is the last Thursday, and Baba said, while giving drishti and satisfying everyone, and Baba's drishti fell on bhog plate. I said, Baba, on behalf of Sister Manju, there is bhog. And there is also bhog of many other special souls. And so, Baba said, all are Brahma Baba's arms, and especially Eastern Zone. There are many souls who have taken sustenance from Baba. Sister Manju, Sister Neelam, Sister Sheila, Sister Kavita. Baba emerged them specially. Baba said, all are special children. All those who have gone on behalf of service, they have gone at the confluence age. Children have given lot of sustenance, and they are also helpers in Baba's service. Baba with great love emerged Sister Manju. Baba fed bhog to her. Baba said they have come to Baba's home, and even the Brahmin children remain content by coming to Baba's home, and Baba is also happy looking at the children. Eastern Zone brothers and sisters, Nepal brothers and sisters, to all, totally, Baba gave heartfelt love and remembrance. Baba also gave love and remembrance to teachers. I took love and remembrance from Baba and came down. Om Shanti.